Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to sell crypto for cash on crypto.com. So to get started with the easy workaround and the best method you can use to sell your crypto for cash on crypto.com. So the first thing to do, which is the first step, is to open your crypto app, then sign in and ensure you've set up a fiat wallet for your local currency account. So for that, you have to use the fiat wallet. So the next thing to do, which is the next step, is to tap sell. So on the home screen, go to account, then click crypto wallet, then find the crypto you want to sell and tap sell. Then the next thing to do is to select the cash or the fiat option. So to get started with that, you have to choose the cash option, not crypto. Then you have to convert your crypto into fiat currency. So what that is done, enter the amount and confirm. So type the amount to sell and a confirmation pop up which shows the fiat amount valid for 15 seconds, review and confirm. So what next is to withdraw to bank. So after selling, go to the account, then click the fiat wallet, then click on transfer. From there, tap on withdraw to fiat, then choose your linked bank account, then enter the same and enter the amount and confirm the withdrawal, and that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, kindly subscribe and follow for more. Thanks.